Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you on how to change your language in Windows 11. Let's dive into it. Click on the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen and type language. Click on the language settings under Best Match. At the preferred language, click on Add a language. Select the language that you wish to install. In my case, I will install the French language. Next to the language, you can see icons that represent certain features that you can install. The explanation of those icons can be found below. Click on your desired language and press Next. On this screen, you have the option to install extra features. In my case, I will keep everything checked by selecting Set as my Windows display language. Everything in Windows will be, in my case, in French. Then click on Install to start the installation process. The installation took, in my case, 10 minutes to install, so I will fast forward this video a bit. The only thing that is now left is to sign out and sign back into Windows to see the effect. Let's sign back in. Let's do some quick checks and see if everything is indeed in the French language. At the bottom right corner, we can see that French has been added. In the Start menu, we can see that all the Windows apps are in French. Even opening Google is displayed in French. And lastly, the File Explorer is also on the desired language. And that's it. Now you can successfully change your language in Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.